You might have already heard the news that the Cloudflare email service is now in public beta. And this is exciting. But what is more exciting for me is that it comes with an open source Agentic Inbox, which means that you now have a full-fledged Gmail-like application for your agents. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can deploy it to your Cloudflare account, configure it, and use it today. So the first thing you want to do is head on to GitHub to this repository, which is Cloudflare/Agentic Inbox. When you scroll down to that, there is a deploy to Cloudflare button. Just click on that and it will take you to your Cloudflare account. Now, if you haven't logged in into your Cloudflare account, it will first ask you to sign in. Once you sign in, and if you have multiple accounts like me, it will prompt you to select an account. I'm going to go ahead with my personal account, and then it will take me to the deployment flow. For this, I am going to change the project name to demo. I already have an R2 bucket configured, so I'm going to use that. But if you don't have an R2 bucket or you want to use a new one, the flow will automatically do that for you. Now you need to set up the policy AUD and the team domain. We'll come to this later. And lastly, the domain you want to use for this email service. I'm going to select fastflare.dev. This is one of the domains that I have been using for a lot of the demos. Now when I click on deploy, it is going to do a couple of things behind the scenes. The first thing it will do is create the GitHub repository in my account. This is useful if I want to go ahead and configure the app later on. So maybe I want to change the color scheme or add more features to the existing app. I can go ahead and do that from the source code. The next thing it does is it starts the build process. And after this build is complete, it will deploy it to Cloudflare's global edge network. Now this might take a couple of seconds. So I'm going to fast forward this part of the video so that we can look at the next steps. And over here, we have our Agentic Inbox deployed. But there are still a few steps that we need to take before we start using it. So the first thing you want to do is go to settings, click on the three icons over here and enable Cloudflare Access. When you enable this, it will show you the AUD that you need to use as well as your team domain. Now I'm going to click on dismiss and click on the edit button over here. This is where you will be configuring the policy AUD and the team domain. Now I'm going to enter the policy AUD that I copied earlier and also update the team domain. Once I enter these values, I can click on deploy, and this will deploy the new version of the application with these values. Well, this was step one. Now there's one more step that we need to take before we start using it. And that is to enable the email sending service. To do that, in your sidebar, click on email service, go to email sending and click on onboard domain. This is where you select the domain that you used earlier. I'm going to select fastflare.dev. I can also configure a subdomain, but for this demo, I am not using a subdomain. So I'm going to leave fastflare.dev as it is and click on done. This will automatically configure the DNS for us. One other thing that we need to do is set up the email routing so that we can send the incoming emails to our inbox. So I'm going to click on my domain and go to routing rules. I am going to create a new address, and this is going to be demo@fastflare.dev and select an action, send it to a worker. And over here, the worker is going to be our demo Agentic Inbox. Click on save, and you have everything now configured to use the Agentic Inbox. So let's go back to workers and pages and access our application. The first time I try to access this, I get the Cloudflare Access login page, and this is crucial. This ensures that not everyone on the internet can access this inbox. Now I have already configured my access policy to allow only my personal email address to access this application. I'm going to enter my email address and it will send me a code. So let me check my inbox and get the code. I've pasted the code. I'm going to click on sign in and I have now access to my mailbox. Let's zoom this in. Now I can click on compose to start writing the email. Hey, this is an email coming in from the Agentic Inbox. Alright, this has a bit of typo, so let's just do this. This looks good. Now I'm going to enter my email address. And a subject over here, it can be demo email, and click on send. It sends the email address. I can go to my inbox and check it. So over here in my inbox, I have the email address. I can also send back a reply to my agent. This is fantastic. What more can you do? I'm going to click on send. This sends the email to our agent and you can go to our Agentic Inbox. And over here was the email that I sent. And as you can see, it automatically drafted the reply for us. Now I can click on send or edit or even discard this. So this was a quick demo on how you can configure the Agentic Inbox with the new Cloudflare email sending service and let your agents take care of your inbox. I have already been using this for my production applications and I would love to know how you are using the new email sending service from Cloudflare.